Okay guys, do you remember this video back in 2013? Since 2013, when I saw this footage, I always dreamed to build my own F-35B model, fully scale built with all those working doors, all the STOVL movements with the 3 BSM. Man, it was a journey. And now it's 2024 and finally we took off our F-35. Our dream came true. And what is really special about this video is sponsored by PCBway. But first, let's check out my footage of the F-35. Enjoy. Ja. Even lachen.
Oh, dat is een mooi shot.
This video is sponsored by PCBway. PCBway provides custom PCB services, but they also offer 3D printing, CNC machining, sheet fabrication and many more. We use CNC and also 3D printing to make our projects. Mostly I use PCBway to CNC cut aluminium parts for the F-35 landing gear. At PCBway you can easily upload your file, select the material that you want and get a quote in less than 24 hours. Check them out at PCBway.com and let's go back to our video. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video until this far, so please hit that thumbs up button. So in this video and from now on it's an official opening that we're going to start a big F-35A version. It's going to be a 1:8 size and that's why I need PCBway to help us with aluminum CNC cutted parts, because the model is getting heavy, more bigger. It's going to be 2 meters long, weight about approximately like 8 kilos. So this is going to be epic. I already designed a really nice F-35B and A landing gear in SolidWorks, and this is how it looks like. So as you can see, all parts are super scale, it works super scale, and yeah, thanks to this aluminum parts it will be possible to use this as a functional landing gear for this really big F-35. Well, the B version, which you saw in the beginning of this video, we will proceed testing this model. I'm also still a bit scared on the field to crash it, but it feels so super stable. It flies really nice. And yes, you all are waiting for the inbound transition flight, just like the Wheel 1 short takeoff, normal flight, and go back to hover and do a vertical landing. The F-35B from RC Jetprint is already performing this nice performance, but for now we're going to focus on a really big A version. For me, it's really important to build a composite A version because this will tell us more about the behavior before we start a really big composite B version, also 1 to 8 size. Can you imagine? So let's jump in the build and let's implement the parts from PCBway. Awesome. So yeah, here we got our parts printed with the bamboo lap, resin printed with the Formlabs, and this is printed in tough material. But there are some critical parts like this bracket and this hood, so we're going to replace these two parts with aluminium parts. Okay, the parts came out really nice. The quality is just superb, and it's really working really smooth. So let me retract the part. Oh. It hit my finger. So this works. Let's go out again. Really stunning. Okay guys, I'm really happy how it came out, but to give you a comparison how big it is, it's quite large compared to the 1 to 10. Wow. Super happy. Okay guys, I'm really happy with the results. Thank you PCBway for supporting me with this aluminium parts. In the next videos we're going to start some composite works. We're going to work with glass fiber. We're doing a nice layout. We're going to use a laser to cut our bulkhead parts. And hopefully it will take some 3 videos to build the entire F-35B and A version with a 120mm, so electric. So I'm quite curious how that will fly. So make sure to subscribe and like our YouTube channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.